There is a great deal of talk and endeavor to protect nature, the animals, the birds, the whales, the dolphins, to clean the polluted rivers, lakes, rivers, and so on. Nature has great healing power. Nature is not put together by thought as religion and believer. Nature is the tiger, that extraordinarily animal with its energy, its great sense of power. Nature is the solitary tree in the field, the meadows and the grove. It is the squirrel shyly hiding behind a wall. Nature is the ant and bee and all the living things of the earth. Nature is the river, not a particular river, whether the Ganga, the Thames, and the Mississippi. Nature is those mountains, snow-clad with dark blue valleys. Nature is those mountains. The universe is a part of nature. One must have a feeling for all this, not destroy it, not kill for one's pleasure or one's table. We do kill cabbages, the vegetables we eat, but one must draw the line somewhere. Nature is the part of our life. We grew out of the seed, the earth, and we are part of all that. But we are rapidly losing the sense that we are animals like the others. Can you have a feeling for a tree? Look at it. See the beauty of it. Listen to the sound it makes. Can you be sensitive to the little plant, a little weight, to the creeper growing off the wall, to the light on the leaves and the many shadows? What nature around you? You may live in a town, but you do have trees here and there. A flower in the next garden may be ill-kept, crowded with weeds, but look at it. Feel that you are a part of all that, part of all living things. If you hurt nature, you are hurting yourself. One knows all this has been said before in different ways, but we don't seem to pay much attention. Is it that we are so caught up in our own network of problems, our desires, our urges of pleasure and pain that we never look around, never watch the moon, watch it, watch with all your eyes and ears, your sense of smell, watch look as though you are looking for the first time. If you can do that, you see for the first time that tree, bush or blade of grass, then you can see your teacher, your mother or father, your brother or sister for the first time. There is an extraordinary feeling about that, the wonder, strangers, miracle of a fresh morning that has never been before and never will be. Being communion with nature, not verbally caught in the description of it, but be a part of it, be our feel, and that you belong to all that, be able to have love for all that, to admire, adore the legend of the world, that broke bronze lying on the ground. Look at the evening star or the new moon without the word, without merely saying how beautiful it is and turning your back on it, attracted by something else. It is a sense that we are all together and we are all human beings, not divided, not broken up, not belonging to any group or race or some idealistic concept, but that we are all human beings living on this extraordinary, beautiful earth. That's all for today.